thank you so much for joining us on this special occasion of Mr. Raju Patil's birthday. Now I must say there's nothing more pleasant for Mr. Raju to wrap up his dinner and watch primetime news before the night ends. And for you, dear Raju, we have some great stories. So sit back and enjoy the news night we have for you. Now first up is our segment, The Lead Story. And for this, we have covered the daily life of Mr. Raju for our very special viewers. Stay tuned.
Government is doing a bloody good job. मजा आ गया. प्रदीप एक चाय पिलाना.
क्या क्या बोले जुगे? क्या हाल है कामत? कैसे है सब? इधर देख चूते लोग लॉकडाउन लग रहे हैं नहीं. देख देख कैसे लग रहे हैं इधर. लग ही नहीं रहा है लॉकडाउन में जो सब बनने वाला है. और क्या? देवनर में भी सुना मैं एक हुआ एक. हाँ क्या बोलते हैं आज रात को टेरेस पे करते हैं फिर विस्की में वो एक खोलता है एक आज.
Okay, we seem to have lost that line with Srinjoy. But thank you very much, Srinjoy and Nikunj, for getting us the details of this news break. Let's also listen to what Rahul Gandhi said about the face-off between the soldiers of both the nations.
बनाने को जा रहे हो ऐसा का नाके हो गया क्या?
पप्पा
क्या?
एसी से पानी लीक हो रहा है.
अरे यार ब्लडी फिल्टर साफ नहीं किया. ये हो गया सीढ़ी लेके आ तो. अच्छा इधर ही है. क्या साफ सफाई तुम लोगों को कुछ अक्ल है नहीं साफ सफाई करने का. वही हो गया रहेगा फिल्टर खराब हो गया होगा. पानी लीक हो रहा है. तुम लोगों को कुछ सीखने का नहीं है करने का नहीं है लाइफ में. ओ देख वही बोला पाउडर. कल से ना यशार चिंकी तुम लोग ने पाउडर यूज किया ना मैं वो फेंक देने वाला. समझा ना. ये देख कितना जम गया. ये देख साला पाउडर. लंग इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा इधर. वो किधर है वो पाउडर. वो पाउडर ही फेंकने वाला है. यशा तेरे को तो एक पैसा भी नहीं देने वाला है मैं पाउडर के लिए. समझा ना. कल से तेरा सब अमेज़न पार्सल ये पार्सल सब बंद. पाउडर तक के लिए पैसा नहीं देगा मैं तेरे को. समझा. लड़ी ए योगी साफ करके लेके आ. वो पाउडर किधर है. किधर है पाउडर. उसको तो मैं अब भी कचरा का डब्बा फेंकने वाला है. समझा ना. सुनना तूने चिंकी और यशा कल से यूज किया ना. देखो वो बेटा फड़का है. वांट टू क्लीन दिस एसी. What now? Go get it. लड़ी है लेजी बम 2 बजे तक सोने का रहता है.
राजू तू क्या कर रहा है?
क्या है पीना है? पका मत मेरे को अभी.
अरे वो मम्मी के रूम में वो वाटर वो लीक हो रहा है.
क्या वो
वाटर पंप.
वॉट वाटर पंप.
अरे वो होता है ना वो बम जेट वाला.
हाँ तो मैं क्या करूँ. गंगा पा को फोन करना. और क्या राजू प्लम्बर इलेक्ट्रिशियन नहीं है. संजय को और गंगा पा को फोन करो करेगा. गंगा पा को फोन करो. भास्कर को बोल के करके ले. ठीक मैं नहीं करने वाले सब चीज. तू जल्दी मटका लेके आ.
क्या ना है यार. सॉलिड है मस्त. पानी मस्त गर्म था. चलो अभी पूजा का टाइम हो गया. हेमा वो फूल है क्या पूजा का.
हेमा उस तरह क्यों नहीं बना है.
छाछ पी.
No, I'm already a cook.
अच्छा चीज तुमको पीने का ही नहीं है कभी.
समझ नहीं आया what they are doing.
यार बहुत नींद आ रहा है, सोने का है। हेमा चल एसी लगा और जरा कैंडी क्रश का बंद करा, सोने का है मेरे को। हाँ बेटा, go irritate your papa. Go to your father. कोविड का सोल्यूशन मिल गया, फैमिली ग्रुप में फॉरवर्ड किया।
अभी कोई कदम उठाने का निर्देश नहीं। सौभाग्य की बात यह कि
राजू अभी बंद करो लाइट, नींद आ रहा है।
5 minutes. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Nothing like parachute. All this Nivea I've told Yasha to stop, full of chemicals. मस्त नींद आएगा अभी। मेडिसिन लिया है माँ?
हाँ लिया राजू।
चलो, I'm going to be on WhatsApp for 10 minutes and then we will sleep.
And that was indeed a very insightful experience for all of us. Next up is the most awaited segment of the night, the debate hour with Yasha Borswamy. Stay tuned and keep watching as she has curated a list of eminent panelists.
Dear viewers, good evening and welcome. As the locust swarms approach the state of Maharashtra and the COVID-19 cases are on the rise, tonight we keep it all aside to welcome a distinguished panel, probably the only panel Raju ever needs. So tonight, viewers, I have every right to conduct this panel in front of my viewers, as the nation wants to know the level of obsequiousness and servility that Hemantini Patil shows Raju Patil's sisters. I am telling you, ladies and gentlemen, it's embarrassing. What I have done tonight is bring you the group members of the famous WhatsApp group 6 without the infamous administrator Basavraj Shivanand Patil. Introducing the panel very quickly for tonight, renowned older sister and sleeping partner of Hirabag, Vijay Lakshmi Shetty. The sister that needs no introduction and what I believe would be the only replacement for the absence of Raju Patil in the debate, Anita Murthy. The sister who I'm not sure I have the full attention of tonight, Meenakshi Girwani. The elitist we are fortunate to sit amongst and who is the only one who required an appointment and is on a very tight schedule, Preeti Sangvi. The lady who needed to have a specially curated panel tonight, Hemantini Patil. So let's begin, ladies.
Hema, what we heard you got some saree recently. मैं exhibition गई थी. You had taken Nina along. You had taken Nina along.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is the sari that I picked up.
choice. All right.
Emma, why do you go with Meena? You know, Raju doesn't like her choice.
No, actually, I happen to be that
Now, would you
side
like
of
to
town.
comment on that accusation that was made against you?
No, on an impulse, I just
This is a complete wrong accusation. There's nothing that he doesn't like my choice or something. She is just saying because she's jealous. Let me tell you.
Not because of
Anita,
that.
would you
He
like to say
feels-
something in response to that jealousy
Emma
accusation?
gets carried away by you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
is that true? Would you like to add?
Yeah, because Anita misses out on
Kaga over things and she gets carried away. Emma is
Anita
too
is
innocent
just
and she gets carried away.
Anita is
Hemantri,
just
is it
pure
true you
jealous.
tend to get carried away with Meenakshi by your side? Sorry? Hemantri, is it true that you get carried away when Meenakshi is by your side?
no, I don't get carried away. I trust her taste, and actually, what I did mistake is I had a credit card and I didn't ask Raju, and I'm not shown the sari to Raju. I'm so scared.
So you see,
Can't
that's
believe-
Don't worry, Hema. The sari is just very beautiful. It will look gorgeous on you. You have a very traditional way. Yes, Preeti. Tell me. Yes, Preeti.
I think when you have to go to buy sari, Meena has got a better
Yes,
choice.
Preeti. Yes, Anita. Yes.
I think Meena has got a better choice than Meena in saris.
Actually, no, in this sari,
You always see my sister
Can
glow.
you mute her? Can you mute Dubai?
now, according to you all, what faults he may find in this sari?
It's got geometrical design. He doesn't like.
Yes,
Baraswamy, I need.
Yes, Preeti. What would you like to comment? Yes, please.
Yeah, here I would like to step in and say that the Dubai people are missing out. They are jealous because they want to be in Meena's shoes. They want to go shopping with Emma.
Interesting facts that are being brought to the table here. Is it true? The distance gets to you, Anita. The Dubai people are missing to be with the sibling, but the Dubai people don't
I
understand.
think that Dubai
How's
people
that?
are more connected to the siblings than the siblings in Bombay.
This is actually a source of missing out. It seems like
Baraswamy.
yes, Preeti, yes.
Has she gone to sleep? Please check on Vijayalakshmi. I think she's gone to sleep with her nap.
Vijayalakshmi, can you hear me?
It's her nap time.
Seems like we have chosen a really inconvenient time for you, Vijayalakshmi. I just found out that this is your nap time.
Ask me, I know the truth. She's forever daydreaming. She's always daydreaming. Always.
Oh my God. I have insider information that is true. Is it true?
The Dubai connection is very poor today. Baraswamy.
Anita, Dubai, talk.
What should I talk when you all are not talking? I am telling she should have got the sari with taking Meena's consent, not Meena's consent. Meena's choice is very high. She spends a lot of money.
No hi. I'm a poor person. No hi.
No, Baraswamy. I think the Dubai person.
Yes,
is
we didn't think that this day was possible where the Dubai family, Anita Murthy, would be so quiet on this panel today.
Yeah,
Please.
because
I'm not actually quiet, but I'm trying to understand why are they.
She's low on sugar. She's low on sugar today.
Yes, it seems like you have lost a lot of weight and you've been cut down on sugar. It looks like affecting your personality as well.
Yes. She's low on sugar and sodium.
If Raju was here, he would tell you to have a glass of electrol water and call it a day.
Yeah. Anita, go for electrol.
Why
Looks
is she
like
like? I think
Looks
whatever
like
change, whatever change, or sugar or whatever, it has suited Anita. So I don't think she needs any electoral or anything like that.
And if she's talking less, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's
Meena
good.
and Anita are going to finally come together at the end of this discussion by agreeing that sugar is bad for Anita, and she has made a good decision.
And she has proved us wrong.
Yes, once again, Anita is right. Clearly, this debate is going nowhere, just like all my debates. Let's get into the next set of panels who he actually would like to listen to. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, my next panel tonight are exactly the kind of people Raju goes to get away from this kind of nonsense. Quickly introducing the next panel. Our very own personalized Milan Soman, Sunil Gidwani, who has just done his best time of 2.5 hours after drinking a pint of 2.5 beers. The Red Bull of the stock market and the only Bulbul of the family, Gaurav Sanghvi himself. The self-proclaimed wine connoisseur and Raju's first love, Kandil Uday Kamath. The president of All India Dhaba and Country Liquor Association, Bharat Bhushan Kohli, also known as Bunty, and Bablu of the group, the president of the Bhangar Association of the Loha Market, Sanjay Sabharwal, president of the Crying Club of Kharghar, Anku Rotlu Kohli. So let us begin. Hold on. Bunty, I need to know, why are you in a mask right now? We are indoors, aren't we?
See, the thing is, now, since we are on this panel, I was told that there is someone from Chembur, I think the Bhangar Association president.
Yes.
He's got a virus which is more deadlier than the COVID. So just to take a precaution, I put a mask.
But you are protected against all viruses. I will assure you. No virus can touch you anytime.
Okay. And once again, Kandil Kamath, why are you
reason I have
glasses? We are indoors once again.
Basically, I have got groggy eyes, red eyes, so I don't want to show my eyes. That's the reason. A drink bana bhai, idhar.
Your face will speak louder than your words then. You must show your face.
Okay. So shall we begin?
Yes.
So, Uday, would you like to begin?
Yes, I want to make an opening statement. There's men without, I'm for alcohol, basically. I think people should drink alcohol. And I say men without vices are men without virtue. You know?
What does that mean, Mr. Kamath? What does that mean?
I don't know what it means, but it sounds good, basically. You know? So
Raju will understand all these things. He knows it better.
Ambedkar caller didn't think that. What it means. They just taught him. They just taught him what to say.
Raju will.
But what it meant, they don't
know all these things.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Yes. So basically, you know, what I want to say is that people who drink are people who are really, you know, have a good temperament. They are calm. They're quiet. अरे गांडू पानी कितना डाला यार इसमें कम डाला पानी. So basically,
this shows your temperament. Yes, this shows your temperament.
People, you know, drink are really mild in nature.
Okay, I think we should try and hear something from the opponent.
One last point I want to make.
Mr. Kohli, yes, Mr. Kohli, yes.
Sorry, one last point and then you can move to somebody else.
Yes.
I think the people who drink are also the most loyal friends. Basically, you know, अरे वो उसमें अपने वो उसमें ब्लेंडर्स पर भर देना वो शिवाज निकल के बॉटल में हाँ मेरे फ्रेंड्स आने शाम को आज. So basically they are basically loyal friends.
Okay,
you know?
Okay.
Loyalty
is very important. Okay.
Absolutely.
Mr. Kohli, what would you like to? Do you have anything to comment on the loyalty? Since you're
loyalty. I don't believe it has to come from within. If you want to drink, it has to come from within. How does loyalty count in it?
Mr. Sabharwal, would you like to say something?
I always believed that drinking alcohol or not drinking doesn't affect your personality. a person जो पीता है वो अपनी खुशी में जीता है, जो नहीं पीता है वो अपनी खुशी में वो करता है. बट माय सोचना ये है कि अगर
Yes, Gidwani. Yes, Mr. Gidwani, you were trying to say something.
I just want to ask Mr. Sabharwal, how does it feel without having alcohol, like, you know?
I feel great. I really
great.
feel great. I have friends like Raju, and I feel very great with them.
You are high. You are high on him.
Always. You don't have to be high with alcohol. You have to be high on life. That's the basic principle.
So looking at Raju, you are high.
Always. And Bunty, and Uday, and Gaurav, and Sunil,
Thank you.
and Anku.
So the key to being sober is to have alcoholic friends. Okay, good to know. It looks like Mr. Kamath is going for his second drink and is nudging someone on his side to get his second drink ready.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. Yep.
Yes, do we have your attention?
Yes. So as I said, I feel these people are also very responsible people. You know, they care a lot about Earth, the drinkers, you know. They say we should save the planet. You know why? Because this is the only planet which has beer, you know. So I think these guys are a bunch of very, very responsible people. You understand what I'm saying?
Mr. Bunty, are you napping as we speak? Mr. Bunty, are we?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Time?
That is after Mr. Bunty's fifth one now.
That's his way of working.
See, today the need of the hour is you should have, like earlier it was said, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But now a quarter a day keeps the COVID at bay.
Well said.
Wow, I like that.
Do you have any proof to go with that theory, Mr. Goli? Any proof?
Mr. Sabharwal is a non-alcoholic person.
Okay.
He's a teetotaler.
Okay.
And the rest of us, we all have alcohol.
Okay.
The thing is, you take a quarter of alcoholic drinks, it makes you think fast. If you do not consume alcohol, your thinking becomes very slow.
Is that true, Mr. Sabharwal? Your thinking is very slow as per his accusation. Is it true?
Actually, the thing is, I've seen people having alcohol and then thinking out of this world. They move out of this world and into space. And I always like to be grounded. So I prefer my tea.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Mr. Sabharwal. I'm sorry to interrupt. Listen. You can take the records since the past 5 months. All COVID people who have died were all non-alcoholic people. And all those who have survived are alcoholics.
In fact, there's international statistics that most of the people who commit crimes are non-alcoholic. If you want, I've got some statistics here, you know.
Yes, please share with us. Please share with us.
Yes. I will during the show. The statistics shows that people who don't drink, the crime rate among this population is the highest. This is the latest statistics report. So all these guys who think, you know, they are quite sober and quite nice guys, you know, maybe there's a criminal lurking in them. So you never know.
Anku, would you like to add something to that statement?
Yeah, I think he's the right guy to answer.
Okay. Mr. Kohli.
Yeah. How does it relate with COVID and things like that? The non-drinking and drinking of alcohol, how does it relate with COVID?
There are statistic records are there.
What is your standpoint on alcohol, Mr. Kohli?
Whatever
We have
deaths
not heard
have
anything
occurred
on your
are
opinion
people
on
who are
this entire
non-alcoholic.
situation. Please tell us.
Just if you want to get high and you want to drink, it doesn't make sense. I agree with Sanjay Sabharwal.
Bunty, you look like you're suffocating yourself. I please advise you to remove that mask.
We are also feeling suffocated looking at that mask now.
Yeah, you please remove it.
Sincerely advise you to take that mask off.
He is getting high.
Till Mr. Sabharwal is there, till Mr. Sabharwal is there on the panel, I cannot take the risk.
I think people who consume alcohol are always honest.
Well, I see the members of the panel who drink
They
alcohol.
are honest only
I would like
after
to dispute
consuming
that
alcohol.
statement.
Eh?
Honesty
Kandil
may not be the best policy
Yes, Mr. Kohli.
for the alcohol drinkers in this group. At least some of them, as far as I know.
No, you can
Are
name
you
them.
trying to say that everyone else is more honest
You can
than
name
Mr.
them.
Sabharwal and Mr.
Sabharwal.
Kohli because they
That's
choose
not
not
right.
to drink?
No. I'm saying the
Yeah,
people who drink are honest. The people who don't drink also can be
No,
honest.
they are honest
They
only after
can be, but
drinking.
they are not.
Yeah, but
No,
that
let
is
me
that
interrupt,
is what
let
the
me
people.
interrupt, please. Alcoholics,
Yeah.
they follow one funda. After a couple of pegs, they
Yes.
become very honest. I'm one of them, and I sing only one song after that.
Yes, please let us know.
After a couple of pegs.
Please sing.
मैं भी चंगा, मेरा प्यो भी चंगा, मेरी माँ भी चंगी, मेरे रिश्तेदार पैंचो.
Mr. Kohli, this is the family.
I think this is a direct attack on Mr. Sabharwal now.
Doesn't matter. I'm used to all this.
His honesty is showing up now after consuming alcohol.
And you know, I believe only in one fund of life. पी जब तक है जी, जब निकल जाएगा जी तुझे कौन कहेगा पी.
Wise words by Mr. Kohli.
Thank you.
Well said. Are you drinking now?
Yeah, but not with water, neat.
Okay. No wonder you are coming with wonderful things. Okay.
Would everyone like to say their last point before we end this session right now?
Okay. Jokes apart, for Raju is the best drinking buddy, and before a best drinking buddy is the best buddy. Let's put it this way. So,
Wise words by the first
Raju's
love of life.
to Raju's health.
And for today, Raju is also the password for this drinking meeting.
Yes.
Cheers,
absolutely.
Raju.
Cheers.
Mr. Sabharwal, any final comments?
I would like to make a comment basically for Raju.
Yes, please go ahead.
Since it is his birthday, many happy returns of the day, Raju. And have a great one and have a great year ahead. And I would just like to say that in this group, in our group, Raju is the thread that has tied us all together for such a long time. And really feel great that I have a friend like Raju, a 2 a.m. friend, 2 p.m. friend, 9 p.m. friend, 9 a.m. friend, who is always there.
This seems to be getting very
us.
emotional.
And
Do
for
you need
all
a
of us.
tissue?
No, I am really emotional. Whenever it comes to Raju, he's been there standing with
He
us.
brings out the
And we have
emotions
been
in
there
you.
with him. It's been nearly been 50 years.
There you go.
So, yes,
There you go. Here's a
emotional
tissue.
also.
Here's a tissue. Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Okay.
But now, since the past 6 years, I'm sorry to interrupt. Since the past 7 years, Bablu's become a little more emotional towards Raju.
Okay, and why is that?
You can ask
He's
Mr.
coming to a lot of cash.
After
You can ask Mr. Kandil Kamath.
Now you got
emotions.
He's the right
emotions
person.
have gone down. Emotions
He
have
is
gone
a
down.
bum chum.
Yes, Miss Uncle Kohli, would you like to add something?
I just want to wish him all the best. He's a good friend of mine from the last so many years. So all the best, Raju Patil. Have a great birthday.
Yes,
No,
Mr. Gidwani, please continue.
Yes. We've had excellent sessions with Raju over the drinks, without the drinks, and we shall continue to have many more sessions with him now after lockdown, and we shall catch up very soon. All the best to him. Take care.
And Mr. Sangvi, last touches.
I would second Mr. Sabharwal. I think Raju is the one who's tied the family also. In one way, he's a Sala, but he's a very sweet Sala. He's really given us more like a friendship than that, that Sala post of his. And I think we've always enjoyed drinking and having a good time with him and all his best friends who've also become our good friends. And we're very happy that we've come together today to wish Raju a very happy birthday. Have a great life. Enjoy, buddy.
And Mr. Bunty and Mr. Uday, last points from you all, please.
Yeah, even I would like to wish him a very happy birthday and a great year ahead. The one thing which I like about him when we are over drinks, after the second peg, he takes us to either Mahabaleshwar or Goa.
Oh yes,
And
yes.
then after the
I have
fourth peg, he wants to
this
go abroad.
discussion as well. I have seen this
We have had
firsthand.
some wonder.
Second that.
We have had some wonderful trips after drinking. You know, we have traveled to Paris. We have traveled to London.
After the second peg, it is here local till Mahabaleshwar or Goa.
So, yeah.
And after the fourth or the fifth one, then we go abroad.
Yeah.
And then we come back in an hour's time.
What is abroad? Where is abroad? Oh, sorry, abroad. Okay. I said a new destination abroad. Okay, doesn't matter, no problem. Fine. Was that a Punjabi word or English word, by the way? Abroad.
Mr. Kansal Kamath.
Never mind.
Does it mean the same in Punjabi
I thought
also?
you couldn't see, but I know now you can't hear also properly. Mr. Kansal Kamath.
The English will come from the Punjabi after 9
What did
o'clock.
you say? I can't hear you. Okay. Last thing.
Mr. Bore Swami,
Yes.
you should have held this meeting in the night. You made a mistake.
My bad. We shall do this again, but next time with Raju himself. And
Okay, I will
without me.
finish.
Oh, yes.
Absolutely.
I will speak about Raju.
Always a pleasure with Raju.
So for me, I met all these people here because of Raju. The first person I met is Raju, and all the other friends followed. You know, and I've known him since we were in the 8th standard. Okay, so that's been a long friendship, and it will continue to be so.
Looks
Raju,
like
wish you a very, very happy
capital.
birthday.
Yes, please continue.
Have a great day. Have a
60th birthday, Raju. Now you become a senior citizen, Raju. Now you can avail of travel concessions also.
yeah. In that sense, Ankush should get double concession now. Even Raju,
He's
Ankush
not.
should travel free of cost by that measure.
I am with you people. I don't have to worry.
We have only 3 minutes on the ticker. Are we all done here?
Yes.
Yes.
We're done.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Moving on, we have Himanjali Fire reporting live with the weather forecast for tonight coming right up.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. According to the satellite pictures provided by the Hirabag Meteorological Department, Cyclone Raju has intensified into a severe cyclonic storm in the northwest department of the house, owing to the Shengays left to dry on what is discovered as plastic shields. It is to move slowly into the next half hour to recover north, northeast, south, southwest to the entire house if Hemantini and Pushpa do not watch any more YouTube videos on how to do it right. Conditions are more favorable that Cyclone Raju himself will figure out the solution and just make use of his best known skills to make the best Shenge, or else rain and thunder showers will be observed all over Hirabag home tonight. Back to the studio for our next segment, Raju Rant.
Hearty welcome to the inaugural session of a string of very interesting episodes on Lost It News Media. I, Rajshi Sardesai, welcome one and all to be with me and interact with one of the most enigmatic personalities who will be here live and exclusive only for Lost It News Media. He is none other than Basavaraj Shivanand Patil, also known as Mr. Goswami of the family, and with love we all call him Raju. Raju Patil, gentlemen and ladies. Here he comes. May I welcome him on stage. Mr. Patil, please come on. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
It's a privilege and an honor to have you on board today.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine.
Okay. A bit of an introspection into what was Raju Patil before he became the Raju Patil that we all know. So may I take you back in the space of time and ask you a very basic question, which all the children watching this news channel now would want to know. Did you, Mr. Basavaraj Patil, like to go to school?
देखो जैसे हर स्टूडेंट का होता है, आई वॉज नॉट अ वेरी ब्राइट स्टूडेंट, मुझे स्कूल जाना पसंद ही नहीं था। और आई मीन आई ग्रो अप इन अ हाउस विद मेनी सिबलिंग्स। तो ये लोग ने मुझे बताया कि जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं अपने घर के एक विंडो पे जो रेलिंग्स होते थे उस पर मैं चढ़ जाता था, बिकॉज मुझे स्कूल जाना पसंद ही नहीं था, बिकॉज मैं स्कूल में अच्छा नहीं था। आई मीन ऑनेस्टली मैं इतना ब्राइट स्टूडेंट था नहीं, बट इसीलिए जब मेरी मॉम आती थी मुझे मारने के लिए स्कूल जाने के लिए, मैं ऊपर चढ़ जाता था और मैं उस पर लटका रहता था।
Oh, interesting. Quite interesting. May I know what is your judgment of Acha in schooling? Is if I may ask, is 35% considered good? Or
हाँ, अगर 40 आ गया तो बहुत अच्छा है। 30-35 के बीच में मैं हमेशा था, और मैं टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई वुड से आई वुड बी a 40% student, you can say, throughout my life. So I was not an overachiever, but I used to do bare minimum to get through.
Okay. But tell me something. What would you do before exams? Were you a well-prepared student or not prepared at all? What was it like?
This is actually quite funny and ironic. जब भी मुझे स्कूल के पहले, एग्जाम्स के पहले, बहुत हर स्टूडेंट को जो वो टेंशन होता है, प्रेशर होता है, तो मैं क्या करता था, मैं जोर जोर से घर पे चिल्लाता था, जोर जोर से मेरी मॉम को, कि मैं सब भूल गया, मुझे एग्जाम नहीं लिखना है। मैं जस्ट आधा घंटा 1 घंटा पहले जस्ट आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट cry on the top of my voice and say मैं सब भूल गया, मुझे नहीं लिखना है and all that. So those because I was just afraid, because मैं एग्जाम में इतना अच्छा नहीं करता था, तो इसलिए that is something my siblings have told me that is how I used to react when I was young.
Interesting, very kind, very good of you to be candid and honest with your answers. I am sure most of the viewers who are of the age that we are now talking about will not be very comfortable with the answers, because they were not born with the golden spoon the way you were.
See, the thing is, I am an open book here. Okay, मैं ज़्यादा कुछ छुपाने का नहीं है ना जिंदगी में, क्या? I mean, when you see me, you will come to know how I have survived, how I have lived. If you say golden spoon, yes, but I have worked for it. बचपन में मैं बहुत काम किया है। मेरे डैड के साथ हम लोग का जूस का दुकान था, ये था, तो मैं बैठ के जूस बनाता था। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो अभी करंट सिनेरियो है वो पहले से ऐसा नहीं था, बट हाँ हमारा बचपन बहुत अच्छा गुजरा है, टच वुड जैसे वो बोलते हैं, टच वुड, और आई होप ये ऐसा चलता रहे।
Okay, I'll go back to my script for the next segment of my questions. Why do you like to go to the gym every day? You are a very fit person. You're looking very dapper, very handsome, multicolored, and you name it. I believe you are, some say you're turning 55, 58, 59, but I would say you're 40 with 15 years of experience. So why do you go to the gym on a daily basis, Mr. Patil?
अभी इसके लिए भी उसका खुद का रीजन है। तो हम जा रहते हैं चेपुर स्टेशन में, तो हमारा एक लाइफ लॉन्ग क्लब मेंबरशिप है जो जिम खाना जैसे सब सबर्ब्स में होता है। तो रास्ते में तो मेरे दो एकदम अनमोल रतन जो बोलते हैं, मेरे जो दोस्त हैं, एक का दुकान रास्ते में आ जाता है, उसका नाम है बंटी, और दैट इज वन मोटिवेशन। तो रोज आने जाने में उनसे मुलाकात हो जाती है। और दूसरा मेरा जो एक और बहुत ही खास दोस्त है उदय कामत, वो भी जिम में आ जाता है। तो जिम कभी कभी एक बहाना भी है, और हम उधर जाके इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, जिम के बाद कभी एक आध ड्रिंक हो जाए, तो आई यूज दैट एज माई मोटिवेशन। आई मीन उसमें कुछ गलत बात तो है नहीं, दोस्तों को मिलने जाता हूँ। एंड अभी तो जिमखाना में मुझे कमेटी मेंबर भी बना दिए हैं। तो क्या होता है कि जब जाते हैं तो बहुत रिस्पेक्ट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग आता है, तो इट मेक्स मी फील गुड अबाउट माई सेल्फ. तो आई एम डिवोटेड टू दैट कमिटी, सो आई एम हैप्पी गोइंग टू जिमखाना and spending time.
So can the nation understand that Bunty and Bubbly have played an important part in your life and Kamath adding tadka to it?
Of course. I mean, I would say I've been blessed with very good friends यार. अरे बचपन से हम लोग ने बहुत मजे किए हैं, बहुत हमारा एक टाइट सा ग्रुप है. एक और जेंटलमैन है उसमें, बबलू. तो ये तीन हमारे, अगर मेरा फ्रेंडशिप उनके साथ मैं आपको डिस्कस करना चाहूँ तो ये शायद नेशनल टेलीविजन पे मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा, बिकॉज वी आर क्वाइट रॉ and we have a good understanding. And
so that will be a series of episodes about your friendship with these gentlemen.
Of course.
Interesting. I now go to the next question on this segment. Again, all my questions are based on research.
Okay.
If there is somebody falling sick in and around you, what do you suggest they should be doing? Go to a doctor or go to Raju Baba?
I would say जब से मुन्ना भाई आया उसके बाद मैं राजू भाई हो गया हूँ, बिकॉज जैसा MBBS होता है, मेरा है KIA, which is
वो क्या होता है?
Know it all.
Know it all.
अरे ये रिसर्च मैंने अपने व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी से किया है. और हमारे फैमिली में इतने लोग हैं, टच वुड, और कभी उनको इतने बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं कि इनको ये बीमारी हुआ, ये हुआ, तो उनको ठीक करते मैं आधा डॉक्टर तो मैं ही बन गया हूँ. और अगर किसी को मेरे से ज्यादा अक्ल है तो वो एक मेरी बड़ी बहन है जो इधर रहती नहीं है, वो दुबई में रहती है. उससे कभी मैं फीडबैक ले लेता हूँ. हम दोनों में कभी डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो जाते हैं, बट और पेशे से वो एक्चुअली एक पैथोलॉजिस्ट भी है, बट मुझे लगता है मुझे उससे ज्यादा अकल है.
Does it amount to the great Indian proverb, Hindi proverb, एक म्यान में दो तलवार?
हाँ, अगर मेरे घर में मैं किसी से थोड़ा सा भी अगर डरता हूँ या किसी की एडवाइस लेता हूँ, वो मेरी बड़ी बहन ही होगी. हम लोग लाइक आई सेड स्ट्रॉन्ग विल्ड पर्सनालिटीज है, तो उसको भी वो ट्रेट आया है हमारे फादर से. तो हाँ, हम क्या बोले, हम दोनों का यही रवैया है कि माय वे और द हाईवे.
Okay. All right. My teleprompter in the studio tells me that the time is running out, and but then I cannot wind up this interview, ladies and gentlemen, with the paramount question, which is most important in our inaugural session of Lost It News Media, Mr. Basavaraj Patil.
Yes.
LIS Raju Patil. How do you encapsulate yourself?
देखिए, बहुत सिंपल सा जवाब है. मैंने जैसे पहले बोला कि I'm a jack of all trades. अभी आप देखोगे मैं बचपन से एंटरप्रेन्योर रहा हूँ, एंटरप्रेन्योर माइंडसेट है मेरा. तो अगर आप देखोगे तो मेरे पास अभी एक रेस्टोरेंट फंक्शनिंग है, एक लॉज में चलाता हूँ, एक अभी मेरे पास एक आई एम अ रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर एसोसिएशन में मैं लिस्टेड हूँ. मैं घर के प्लम्बिंग, कारपेंटिंग से आर्किटेक्चर से लेके इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग मैंने सब में अपना हाथ डाला है. एंड आई वुड से देयर इज नथिंग आई कैन नॉट डू. दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू एंड इट विद.
Excellent, Mr. Patil. Very candid, very honest, very down to earth. It's a privilege to have you in our studios. And situations permitting, we would like to have you once again here very soon.
For sure. Thank you.
Dear viewers, at the end of it, time constraints permitting, what we have realized is this gentleman, Mr. Basavaraj Patil, no matter how he is, what he is, you may like him, you may dislike him, but for sure you cannot neglect him. On this note, I wind up the first episode of the Lost It News Media, and I thank each and every one of you to joining us on this momentous day. Thank you very much. We will catch up and we will be in touch with you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching our segments on the News Hour tonight. Before we wrap up, here are a few dignitaries wishing Raju their best wishes on his special day. Very happy birthday to you, Raju. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Raju. ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಲೋ ಆಗಿ ನಾ ಇಂಥ ಮಗನ ಪಡೆದು ನನಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭಾಳ ಐತಿ ಮತ್ತೇನ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಇರು ರಾಜು ಹಾಂ हजारों साल जीवो मेरा बेटा अच्छा पाए बेटा
Happy birthday, Raju. God bless you.
Happy birthday to Raju, my dear Raju. Raju Basavaraj Shivan. I love him very much. He is my best friend and as well as a good relative. I like him very much. I adore him.
ಹಲೋ ರಾಜು, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಬೇಟಾ. ದೇವ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನಾನು ಬಾಂಬೆನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀನು, ಹೇಮಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಬೇಟಾ. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದು ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇವ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನಾನು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಂಬುತ್ತೀನಿ. ರಾಯರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲಿರಲಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ಸಂಸಾರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ. ನೀ ಸುಖವಾಗಿರಪ್ಪ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಬೇಟಾ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ.
Raju, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Raju. Stay blessed. Take care. See you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Raju uncle. You're awesome.
You're the bestest, Raju. Happy birthday, Raju Baba.
Hi Raju Mama, happy birthday.
ಹಲೋ ರಾಜು, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ. ದೇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿತ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್.
Hi Raju Mama, wish you a very happy birthday. I still remember how you welcomed me into the family, that first meeting, and I felt like, I was meeting people I'd known for years, not people who I'm meeting for the first time. I love the fact that, you have the same level of Mumbai in you that I have. So I feel like we'll really get along well when we actually do get to know each other after the wedding. And I know you're Ridhi's favorite uncle, so wish you a very happy birthday once again, and all the happiness, and may you have a great day.